Today I'm going to share with you 5 legit AI businesses that actually work. And you've probably never heard about this before, or maybe you've heard about it before. I'm here to further hammer this down into your subconscious so that you can know that it actually works. All right, so let's go straight into the point. All right, so a few days ago I was at the auto shop and I went to the guy at the auto shop and I'm like, I have something to sell to you. And he was like, what is that? I said, I have AI automations and some things to sell to you. And so he was like, let's have it. And then we started to talk. And by the end of that 5 minutes conversation, I already had a customer. And that's why the first AI business I'm going to tell you is the automation specialist. You see, the thing is, a lot of business owners they have tasks, they have chores in their hands that they wish someone else can take off of their hands. But they would prefer if they don't have to pay so much to someone continuously to have it done. And that's where AI automation comes in. Now, if you learn how to do AI automation with tools like Claude, make.com, or N8N, it is going to be easy for you to go to these businesses, listen to the tasks that they repeatedly do, and turn that into AI automations. All right. So once you learn those, you now learn how to listen to people's tasks and how you can turn that into AI automation. And that was how I took a simple scheduling for an auto shop and turned it into an AI automation for sale. All right. So that's number 1. And this video is going to be quick. All right. So number 2, AI video maker for organizations. All right. Now, a lot of organizations now are jumping on the AI train, right? And you can see most people are creating their ads now using AI. You see all of those ads, even here on YouTube. And organizations don't even care if it's perfect. I've seen top organizations advertising using AI videos, and I've seen one of their characters having 6 fingers. Or, do you understand? It does not have to be extremely perfect because everyone knows it's AI. But they're looking for people who really know how to turn an ad into a compelling AI video. All right. And so learning to use tools like Agen or Higgsfield or InVideo, all of those things will set you on the edge. So you learn storytelling, right? And then you put it into a prompt and tell AI to create these videos for you. You create ads, you create stories, right? And once you learn how to do this, then you create sample stories and you pitch it to organizations. Hey, I know how to make ads using AI. I know how to do all of these things. Then they will pay you for it. I can tell you for certainty because I've seen people earn money from it. This is not just telling you to do what is not going to make you money. It is going to make you money. Now, once you learn how to do these things, you have to also learn how to go to businesses and tell them that this is what you're doing. Because I don't think 1% of businesses are using AI right now. So you still have 99% to pitch to. So jump on it right now. Number 3 will be AI website creation. Now, as I was talking to the auto guy at the auto shop, his friend was standing beside him and his friend was like, I'd like to do marketing with AI. I like AI to help me market my business. And I asked him, what kind of business do you do? He told me. And I said, sure, we can use AI to advertise your business. We use AI to find your target audience and start to hit them with all of those things. And he said, but don't I need a website before that? I'm like, oh, you don't have a website? I can totally build you a website. You see how I got 2 customers from just 1 conversation. Now ChatGPT and Claude can help you build those websites and even help you host those websites, teach you step by step how you can host the website. And so AI website creation, a lot of people are using AI to create their websites now. And then there are lots of people who want to have websites, but they don't know how to go about it. And that's where you come in. So when you learn how to use tools like Claude Code or Claude Cowork or ChatGPT work, and you learn how to use them to create websites and how to host them, right? Then you can start to sell websites. Now, one of the master classes we held in the Empire Academy in June, where we were having the 30-day AI challenge, we learned how to create websites using AI and how to host them. And 3 or 4 of the ladies actually created the website and hosted it. Some of them even created more than one website. Let me take this opportunity to invite you to the Empire Academy. In the Empire Academy, we're learning how to use all these AI tools and how to make money using them. So I invite you to join us. I'm going to be linking it in the description. The Empire Academy is where you want to be. We're holding master classes every month and challenges that will push you to become the woman you've always wanted to be. All right. The next one will be AI voice assistant. Now, one of the things that I'm selling in the package to the auto repair shop is an AI voice assistant. And what this AI voice assistant does is it takes calls round the clock. And not only that, it takes schedules and puts that on the calendar for the AI automations, for the auto repair worker. So it takes your calls, it takes your order, and it puts it on the calendar. And so when they get there in the morning and they see you on the calendar, they can call you, right, and give you an estimate, or you can drive there and get your estimate. Super amazing. And you can use tools like Rosie AI. Rosie AI would help you create an AI voice assistant within 5 minutes. All right. And then you charge them. You first of all charge them to build the entire system, and then you charge them to continue running it, which is amazing. All right. And then the final one I'm going to talk to you about would be the AI marketer, creating ads, learning the ecosystem of your customer business, learning how to pull the target audience, learning how to create AI marketing and ads for them. Like I've said with the video, you can create other types of ads, how AI can help you create Facebook ads or Google ads and all of that. Learning those is super important. With learning that, you're going to learn SEO as well, so that the ads can come to the top. And these are businesses that totally work. If you go to places like Fiverr and Upwork, you see how much the people who learn and know these things, you see how much they charge their customers. So it is something I invite you to try. You're going to totally make the bank if you try any and all of this. Like I told you before, it is not, when I come to you guys and I give you businesses, it is not just business that I hear. It is the ones that I have tried myself, or someone I know has tried and I've seen it work, and then I come tell you guys. And like I said, if you would like to learn more about AI, learn how to use all of these tools and how to make money from it, I welcome you to join the Empire Academy. I have been earning money from the comfort of my home for the past 8-9 years now, and that is what I'm teaching other women how to do. So I invite you to join the Empire Academy. I'm going to be linking it in the description and of course in the comment section, so come on in. We would love to have you there. Anyway, if you found this video helpful, which I hope you have, let me know in the comment section if you have found it helpful, and then go ahead and hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and until the next video, have an amazing day. My name is Rich.